Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet Easter basket. I used an H hook and Karen cotton yarn. I used 2 strands of yarn at the same time to make it stiffer. These funnel cakes, I got it from Michael's, 30% off of $12, 8.8 ounces. I used half of the skein medium 4, half of the cake to make this basket, rose petal color. I started with a magic circle with 2 strands of yarn, and then I did a chain 1 into it. If this is your first time doing the magic circle, there is a link down below on how to do this. And I'm going to work 6 single crochet, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a total of 6. Okay, you're going to pull it closed and slip stitch to join. And then you're going to chain 1 and 2 single crochet in each stitch around, and you can use a stitch marker if you like. Slip stitch to join, and then you can use a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds, and I like to use my tail and just pull it through, and it helps me keep track of my rounds. And you're going to keep increasing for as big as you would like your base. So chain 1 and work 1 single crochet, and then work 2 single crochet in the next, and that is the pattern around. It's going to be 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2, and every round, because we started with 6, will get bigger by 6. It will increase. And if this is too fast, you can always place your video in slow motion. Okay, now you're going to slip stitch again, chain 1, work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work 2 single crochet, and this is the pattern around, is 1 in the next 2 stitches and then an increase of 2. Okay, slip stitch to join, and then chain 1, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then work an increase of 2. Repeat that around until you get to the beginning. Okay, slip stitch to join and chain 1, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then work 2 increase and repeat that around until you get to the beginning. So you have 4 and then an increase, and you can always stop when you have it wide enough for your bottom. Okay, now I'm going to slip stitch, chain 1 and single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and then work 2 single crochet increase. Repeat that around until you get to the beginning. This will be my last increase, but you can always make it bigger if you like. Okay, after my slip stitch, I'm going to work a single crochet in each front loop around to make the basket stand up. If you want this wider, you can add 1 more stitch before your increase for each round. It measures 4 inches on the bottom, so if that is big enough, then you can start making the sides of the basket. Now I'm going to slip stitch and chain 1, and I'm going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for 9 rounds, which measures about 3 inches for the height. You can always make it taller if you'd like. And I'm doing the 2 strands, and I'm going to work it in continual rounds without a slip stitch anymore. Now I'm not going to use a slip stitch. So right here I would have used a slip stitch, but I don't want a seam on the side, so I like to just work it in continual rounds of just the single crochet for a total of 9 rounds. Now I'm going to slip stitch and fasten off. I can weave in my ends, and now I'm going to do the ears next and the face. And just pull it through. Okay, I'm going to make 2 ears with 2 strands of yarn with a G hook. I'm going to make a chain count of 9 and make the chains kind of loose. Work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And then make a single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next 2 chains, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Work a double crochet in the next 3 chains, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and repeat for 2 more times. Work 6 double crochet in the last chain. Work a double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and you can tuck in your tail there. Work a half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the last 2 stitches, and if you want to do the 2 strands of yarn, it will make the ears stiffer and allow them to stand up better. And then you're going to chain 1 and turn and work a single crochet in each stitch around until you get to the other side. Make 2 of these, and then you're going to sew them on the basket. I sewed these ears on side by side right above the eyes, and the eyes are just little plastic eyes that I got from Amazon. I can link those down below. With my yarn needle and pink cotton yarn, I'm going to sew on a nose right in between the eyes below, and I'm just going to create a triangle and then fill in that triangle. Now I'm going to take my black thread yarn and my yarn needle and sew on a little mouth. Now I'm going to create some whiskers with 3 dash lines with my black thread yarn and yarn needle. Okay, so this is my bunny basket that's finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.